Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about how LinkedIn provide us services. How LinkedIn profile provide our services. How to showcase your professional services at the top. LinkedIn services pages. LinkedIn service page are dedicated landing pages that showcase your services and businesses at no cost, which operate on request and proposal model. Additionally, potential clients can contact providers for free, regardless of connection degree. LinkedIn services. List the services they offer on their profile. LinkedIn users can now list the services they offer on their profile. LinkedIn is adding a new feature to user profile, allowing people to list the professional services they offer to clients. This creates an opportunity for their users to market their services outside of their business page and possibly connect with new prospects. The new services section in LinkedIn profile will also be a helpful way for people to communicate exactly what they do for work. Just think how many times have I had to explain someone what an SEO does. Marketing. LinkedIn marketing. LinkedIn services list. Public relations, real estate marketing, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing. Take your projects from to do done. Browse services on LinkedIn. The complete list of LinkedIn services categories. LinkedIn search just go better by adding service categories. The challenge is that they have not told us what those categories are. It takes a lot of guessing to find the right ones you are looking for. No worries. This is also with our LinkedIn service. Hope you understand, like our video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet on another video. Thanks for watching.